We're going to continue about the masterclass intensive full scope training for Power BI, and we're going to continue the data analyst task of data analyst. Okay, we're going to focus on data analyst. Be sure to watch the previous 3 videos, task of a data analyst. So data analysts have a few key responsibilities and daily tasks. Okay, so these are the few key responsibilities. We need to prepare, we need to model visuals, analyze and manage. So we'll give deep dive into each one of the key responsibility. Introduction. A data analyst plays a crucial role in an organization. They help uncover and interpret information to ensure efficient operations. Data analysts collaborate with various teams to derive valuable insights. So there are 5 key areas of data analysis, and we have the first one, which is prepare. Okay, we need to prepare the data from the raw data and prepare them so that we can process them and then come up with the modeling. Okay, every step first is prepare and understanding of data. Right, data preparation involves profiling, right, understanding the data, cleaning and transform the raw data so that it can be used. Okay, ensure integrity, correctness, and completeness of the data. Critical for accurate reporting and informed decision making. Right, it needs to be accurate. It needs to be right data integrity, data trusted, so that we can trust the outcome. Right, critical for accurate reporting. Privacy and security measures must be considered. Okay, we cannot leak data to somebody that is not in our organization's example or any users to see the customer's data. Okay, we need to connect data source efficiently, identify and correct missing and inaccurate data. Right, it's very important. Right, we need to exclude all this inaccurate data and transform data from readability and usability. Ensure compliance with security and privacy standards. Okay, we need to prepare the data. So sometimes it overlaps a bit. Or here, maybe data engineer will do it, but if you are working in a small company as a data analyst, you need to work on the preparation as well. So how about modeling? Okay, data modeling. So why do we need to model the data? We need to connect each different tables, right? That's why we call relational tables, right? Relational database. The data is related to each other so that so the data is very huge, right? Complex data is very huge, and we need to optimize it, make it efficient. That's why we separate them out to a facts table and dimension table, where dimension tables contain unique values and all the other informations. Fact tables with all the transaction records, things like that, and we need to model and relationship between them, right? Relationships between tables. Define metrics like custom calculation and enrichment. Okay, data enrichment. We create a lot of additional columns, and custom tables. All these things for data enrichment. Enhance reports accuracy and efficiency. Well-structured models improve report performance. Okay, if it's well-structured, right, without a lot of duplicates data, you can load the data effectively and efficiently. Right? Poor design models lead to inaccurate reports and inefficiencies. Okay, so as a data analyst, we need to make sure our reports, okay, are efficient and most importantly, accurate. Structured approach ensures scalability and reliability. Regularly optimize and refine models to maintain performance. Right? It's very, very important in this modeling phase. Visualizations, right? Everyone thinks that data is only visualizations, right? We need to do modeling and preparation as well. But visualizations is just the third step right here. Performs insights and compiling reports, right? For visualizations, it's very easy for the users to make quick decision making because the users are very easily to understand. Right, obviously we have AI power visualizations in Power BI as well. Right, accessibility would be a priority when designing reports. Right, who are the users that can see a certain page? What kind of user that can see another page? Things like that. Use clear and concise visuals, guys. We don't want to be too complex here. Right, we want to have easy understanding. Right, or what overwhelming users with excessive data. Okay, we don't want users to be confused. Right? Visualizations is all about simplicity and help them to understand the data more. Ensure reports follow a logical narrative. Alright, it's all about storytelling, guys. Right? Don't jump here, jump there. Right? Nobody will actually understand what is the visualization trying to say. Obviously, we want to optimize the layouts for user engagement and accessibility. So with the visuals, we can then analyze. Right? Sometimes we let our users to do it based on the visualizations, but sometimes we, as a data analyst, we need to understand, right? Understand, interpret data, okay, for them, and write out a summary for them, right? Understand and interpret the data. Advanced analytics help identify patterns, trends, and predictions. Power BI provides AI tools for deep insights. Insights could be communicated in a way that all stakeholders understand, okay? Different type of stakeholders, they need to understand it different way. Okay, it's very important for us data analysts to know data-driven decisions enhance business performance. Okay, AI integrations provide deeper insights. Okay, this is a higher level of machine learning, as well as right simplify complex data for better decision making. Manage. Okay, with all that out of the way, now we need to maintain and manage right the reports. Right, we need to maintain right, the visualizations. When there are new data, new type of data coming in, we need to upgrade and update the visuals. Of course, we update the Power BI as well. Okay, we have a lot of dashboards, Power BI, right? New data coming in, new type of right departments or category. We need to update them, right? Ensures organized data management is essential. Content sharing must control, right? To prevent data leaks, right? This is very important for right big companies. Reduce data silos, improve collaborations and efficiencies. Use shared semantic models to avoid duplications. Grant appropriate access control to protect sensitive data. Optimize content distribution for collaborations. Maintain security and compliance and best practice. Alright, we need to manage all these things. Okay, as a conclusion, a data analyst plays a crucial role, guys. Right, we play a crucial role in the organizations to transform raw data into meaningful insights. And from transforming raw data to meaningful insights, here are the 5 key responsibilities. Okay, we need to prepare, we need to model the tables, we need to do visualizations. With that, we can analyze it, and then we need to manage it. Okay, we need to leverage tools like Power BI, Tableau, or any visualizations. Okay, analyst drives informed decision making and business success. Well, I hope you guys learned something new today, and see you in the next one. Peace.